Welcome to Memo's Tutorials. Today we are looking at theorem number 4, which is the one to deal with the cyclic quadrilateral. So I'll first explain what a cyclic quad is. I know you guys know a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape, but when we say a cyclic quadrilateral, we're saying all the corners of the quadrilateral must touch the circumference, right? All the corners, they must touch the circumference. With that being said, now we then say the opposite sides of a cyclic quadrilateral, they are supplementary, which simply means they add up to 180 degrees, right? So with that being said, on the first question there, guys, they want us to find the value for x and the value for y. Already they have told us that now the opposite sides of a cyclic quad, they are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. So for us to get our x, we're simply going to say it's 180 minus 83 to get the value for x, which will be a 97 in this case. What about the value for y? We'll simply say it's a 180 minus 105 to get our value for y, which will be just 75 degrees there. Okay, now let's move on to b. So it looks a bit complicated, but it's very easy. We can start off by finding the value for c, our x there. We can see x, the opposite one for a, it's actually our c there. So we simply say it's 180 minus 82 degrees to find just this portion, and we got it as a 98. That's 98. Okay, so with that being said, we have a 98, and they also gave us a 62, meaning we can find z. Remember, angles in a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. Now we can find z, so we can simply say it's 180 minus, open bracket, a 62 plus a 98 for us to find the value for z, which is just 20 degrees. Z is a 20 there. What about y? Oh, I'm sure you can see these are angles in a triangle, and they add up to what? 180 degrees. Okay, so we simply say 180 minus, open bracket, 82 plus a 40. You close the bracket, you get your answer for y is 58 degrees. Okay, I'm sure that was easy. What about this one? Okay, that's a cyclic quad. What's the value for